Is this streaming app worth using? If you've seen people talking about the NetMirror app and are curious whether it's a good streaming option, this review will walk you through what the app does, how it performs, and whether it's worth your time. NetMirror positions itself as a streaming platform that aggregates a variety of entertainment content, including shows, movies, and sometimes international series, in one place. The appeal is having many titles available without needing to juggle multiple subscriptions or platforms. Getting started with the NetMirror app is usually straightforward. You install the app or access it via a compatible device or browser, create an account if needed, and begin browsing available categories. The design tends to be simple, with menus and search features aimed at helping users find content quickly. One of the main attractions of NetMirror is its content variety. Users often find a broad selection of shows and movies across different genres, which can make it easier to discover something new without jumping between services. On-demand streaming lets you start episodes or films whenever you're ready, which fits nicely into busy schedules or casual viewing routines. Performance is a key part of the streaming experience. A good app should offer smooth playback, minimal buffering, and reliable video quality across devices. Any frequent lag, interruptions, or unstable streams can take away from the enjoyment and make it frustrating to use regularly. Another important factor to consider is content legitimacy and availability. Not all streaming platforms have official licensing for every title they provide, which can influence content reliability and how long shows stay available. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, NetMirror offers a broad selection of content and a simple interface that makes discovering shows and movies easy. The on-demand viewing model adds flexibility for users who like to watch at their own pace. On the downside, the cons mainly relate to content legitimacy and technical consistency. If the app doesn't have official licensing for its catalog, availability can change or be unreliable. Video quality and ad frequency can also impact the viewing experience, and support or updates may not be as robust as major streaming services. In summary, the NetMirror app can be worth using if you're after a convenient way to browse a wide variety of entertainment content in one place. However, if official licensing, consistent video quality, and strong support matter to you, it may be worth comparing it with more established streaming options before deciding.